What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today's video is going to be a little bit all over the place. I went and linked up with the homies from Street Elegance and Division 7. And when I got there, they had a little car meet, and it's their weekly meet, and it was pretty cool. We got to hang out for a bit, but there was a lot of music, so I didn't record a lot there. But I did get to make some good connections and things while I was there with the homies. So I'll go ahead and kind of explain a little bit more about them in just a moment. But also, representing the homie Boost Emotion. Sorry, it's quite a bit wrinkled. I ain't really going anywhere right now. As of me recording this, it's my anniversary. I mean, my wife's anniversary. So it's just a relaxing day. I'm chilling in the house for now. Plans a little bit later. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into what I got from Division 7. Basically, they're a automotive enthusiast brand, mostly focusing on shirts right now. We potentially could have a collaboration coming soon, so if you're interested, definitely say it down below. I'll have a link to their Facebook, Instagram, as well as the website down below as well. They got me a little box that I kind of wanted in a little giveaway, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over that, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, sorry about the audio. It's quite windy right now, so but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Little unboxing knife. So, looks like I have a few pop sockets here. One with their brand Division 7. This one says Division 7 on the shirt. I'm not sure if you can see it at this angle. And this one's like a little tie-dye explosion with the same logo on the inside. So that's definitely dope. I also have Street Elegance lanyard. See if you can see it. There we go. Let me know if you guys are interested in lanyards, because I've been looking at getting some made for Fitted Squad. Definitely let me know. Perfect. This is exactly what I was hoping I would get. A sticker. Definitely want to throw that out in the car, and it's white, so that's perfect. And another one. I'm not sure which one I will do. I kind of like this one for the kind of theme and everything I have on the car, but this one's definitely dope as well. And we have a shirt. Let me go ahead and open that up. I kind of know what the shirt is, but definitely want to show you guys. It's pretty dope. That's pretty much it for the box. This is like perfect timing and everything. Team Godzilla. Definitely a dope shirt. The funny thing is, I was kind of working on a design for Godzilla, but not for the movie. More for the GTR. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the box itself. They sell, well, I don't know if it's on sale just yet, but I know they have like boxes that they're gonna be doing. And if you guys would like to see some Fitted Squad merch in there as well, definitely let me know. Make sure you check them out. Link will be down in the description below. Great group of guys and great merch as well. They have quite a few shirts up, and they have a few that's about to drop that's pretty fire, so you definitely want to check them out. Definitely appreciate them sending the merch, and I would love to collab with them on some projects in the future. But that's pretty much going to do it for this video, or at least this portion of the video. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to the car meet. I don't know how much footage is actually there, but yeah, let's go ahead and jump on over there. Oh yeah, and I almost forgot, my 3,000 subscriber giveaway is live at the time of the upload of this video. It'll be over on, I believe it's the 3rd, Wednesday, February 3rd. So yeah, the link will be in the description below, so you can get entered in winning a star headliner. So just like the ones I be having in my videos. Yeah. So good luck. And tonight, I'm actually about to head on over and meet up with the homies. I know Ryan's gonna be there, but it's for the Street Elegance homies. They have a meet going on, and so I'm gonna link up with them. I was just there last week. That's where I was hanging out with them when I sold my wheels. So it's basically another one of their meets. I'm gonna link up with them, see what's going on for tonight, and yeah, we'll see what happens. So stay tuned. But yeah, you know I have to turn that light on before we get to the car. It's a little chilly in here, or out here I should say. Alright, just pulled up. Sheesh, looking good. I think it's starting to look better on his car than mine anyway. I ain't really speak to anybody yet. I'm just kind of pulling up. Definitely quite a few people out here. Still got people pulling in too. Got the dirt bike out. They got the grill out. That's pretty dope. Sorry about the lighting. I do need to get a new lens that brings in more light. So that will be coming soon. After the wheels and stuff though. Looking good. That kit looks pretty good too. Oh yeah, I remember that kit. The next kit I get.